Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is how your person is feeling, your twin flame, your divine masculine, feminine, your soulmate, your husband, wife, your ex husband, wife. How are they feeling, and what is their love message for you, friends? Yes, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, share Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe, like, share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends, and do join us on Instagram. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is you can watch it anytime, friends. This is a timeless reading. It will still resonate whenever you watch it. It will resonate with you. And how are you all doing, friends? Have you seen the July pick a card readings, the July horoscope readings? I have done in Hindi, Urdu, and as well as English versions of all these readings. So check that out, subscribe, like, and share. So let's not waste any time. Let us see how your person is feeling. Let us see that how your person is feeling. Ooh, that was quick. The Seven of Cups. So your person wants to take, your person is thinking about you. They want to take a move towards you. They want to take an action towards you. But I feel right now your person is a little bit confused or hesitant to take action towards you. And the Three of Cups, yes, your person is missing you, your twin flame, divine masculine, your soulmate, the no contact person. They are missing you. They want friendship with you. They are thinking of the times you were friends. You guys were together, you guys were intimate. They are thinking of that time and they are missing that energy. And I do feel that, yes, for some of you, your person is feeling like are with someone else. You may have other choices right now. Also, some for some of you, your person may be with another person, like a third party is affecting this connection. Like there is family, or there is different religion, culture, or probably there is another person affecting, like friends, or some past person affecting this connection. But your person is like they want to reach out. Do you see this person's hand? Like this person want to reach out to you, your divine masculine, your person, your lover. What else? They want to be friends with you. Ooh, they want a strong positive start with you. They want to ground this relationship. They want to be with you, friends. They want to start. They want to commit to you. If this person is somebody new who is just friends with you, or who is a crush whom you are dating, they want something serious with you. That's for sure. But they don't know how to say this to you right now. And even if this person is somebody from your past, they want commitment. They want love. And also this person is quite affected by their career. This relationship is affected by their career, by finances. So that is affecting this connection. Their career, their finances is affecting this connection. Let's see. Five of Swords. I feel your person wants to come and talk to you, but they are like you will not forgive them. They are feeling very scared. They are nervous that what they. I think this person blocked you. They left you. They kind of broke your trust, and. Or they didn't valued your time, like they were focusing too much on work and not on you, so that kind of turned you off from this connection. But they regret it because now they are scared to come. They are like, how can they fix this? Seven of Swords. Yes, this person is stalking your social media. They are asking your common friends about you, and definitely stalking your social media, keeping an eye on you. They want to talk with you. They are, if you have common friends, they are asking about you, and they want to definitely say apologize to you because this person uh, you know this person has been guilty. They have made some mistakes and they recognize and realize it. That's why they want this brand new start. Because I think this person was like, hey, I can be flirty, hey, I can socialize. They were like a bit immature in the past, but now it hit them that nothing matters without you. Not even work matters, not even success matters, not even money matters. Even their multitude of relationships or friendships or cousins or family doesn't matter without you. So that's what they are. They want to be your king or queen, the Capricorn Virgo Taurus. This person could be a Capricorn Virgo Taurus. This person wants to be your king or queen, friends. They want to they want your respect. They want they really miss the way you used to think and feel, about this person. They miss that. They want it back. They can give anything to be this king for you again, but now you see them as this traitor, as a cheater, or as a flirt, or as a playboy, or something like that. So now you are like, what is wrong with this person? Why can't they be this king or queen? And that's what they want, to be your king, to be your queen. And Ace of Wands, they still feel very, very passionate about you. They still have the hots for you. Two aces, they definitely are dying for you, and they want a new start and a family with you. Not just a start, but a committed family with you. And if this is a new person, they definitely want to marry you and settle down, or they are dreaming about those things. Also, this person is they have some sexy sexual dreams about you, because they really like you, and there is this sexual commitment chemistry between you and this person. Six of Cups, yes, they are very possessive about you, friends. Your person, they definitely every day think about you. They miss you, and the days spent with you are the best days. They still feel you are the soulmate. And look at that, the star, the wish come true. I think this person has never met somebody like you are completely celestial to this person. You are completely angel or angelic. This person never met anybody so pure, so honest, so how people are today in this world. They are fake. They people wear a lot of things. They wear jewelries, but you wear your smile, you wear poetry, you wear your heart on your sleeves, on your skin. You are very pure, you are very precious. And that is what this person, look at this person is like, they are clothed in their best. This person is your person is like, they have the lot of fine clothes, jewelry, and all those things. And look at you, you are completely naked, you have nothing to hide, and this person is hiding behind a shield. So you are very pure, you are very honest, and this person is still like, how do I leave everything behind to be with you? How can you be so daring? How can you be so, so how can you be you while they are struggle with these things? And then you really inspire your person. So you are their inspiration, their potential, their if this person was a painter, you are their inspiration, motivation factor. And look at that, Three of Swords. Yeah, they still feel the very sad, very hurt. They cry all night because they hurt you. And I feel this present world situation, oh my god, this has really affected them, because they are friendless. They certainly need you. This present world situation, it has, this hurt, this pain, this is becoming, this pain of losing you, this pain of not being with you, not having you in their arms, is becoming even more stronger now, because your absence is killing this person. Now they can't ignore it, it's in their face. And the Knight of Pentacles, yes, I do feel that this person wants to change. They realize in the past they were quite immature, they were behaving like a silly person. They really hurted you. They were not very strong enough, they were too much defensive, they were not very open like you were. They were not they choose family over you, or money over you. So they really regret those things, and they want to talk a lot, because look at how I'm talking non-stop. The moon, yes, this person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, or Leo. This person definitely is feeling a lot of emotions for you right now. You might be having dreams also about this person, or some sort of memories of this person, because they are dreaming about you, they are thinking about you. And I feel this person want to reach out, or they will be very soon reaching out or messaging you. I also feel that they might have already messaged you in the last 1 week. In the past 1 week, this person may have already messaged you, or they will in the, this person will message you certainly in the next 1 hour, or in the next 1 week. So, yes, or even 1 month, because they are like scared of you right now, because they did some epic mess. So, 1 hour, 1 week, or 1 month, they are definitely going to message you. And look at that, the Three of Wands. So they want to expand this connection. They just can't sit there and wait. They are the king and they want to expand this relationship and take it further. And look at that, the Four of Cups. Yes, they miss you. They are crying for you. And they want to work now on this connection. Like, unlike before, where they didn't work and took, responsibility, now they want to work. And I feel they keep reading your chats, your messages, your memories. And they want to build on this connection. If this is a new connection, they want to spend some time with you, meet you face to face, and sit and talk with you. How is our viewers person feeling? Ooh, peace. Wow, this person is definitely feeling like you are the peace in their life. And when they think about you, they feel very peaceful. They feel like life is a bliss, life is joyful. I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. So I also feel in the past this person was very egoistic, very materialistic, very three-dimensional. So now this person is like, see, I'm changing, I'm turning towards love, I'm becoming your queen, I'm becoming your king. So I'm focusing on peace, I'm focusing on love. So they are working on themselves. Fear, yes, see, they are really, really scared of. You might not accept this person back, you might not forgive them. I realize that I am testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. So they were, and as I told you, this person was not, in the energy of love. They were in the energy of fear in the past. Like, what will people say? What will my family say? What will they say? What? They were a bit in the three-dimensional energy, egoistic, but now they are very, very, even now they are scared of you. Like, what will you say? What you think? Like, you don't see them as the king or queen, so they are scared of that. Discipline, yeah, this person is really, really working hard to become the best person for you. They are also trying to discipline their ego, their, bad habits or whatever, the third parties. They are trying to discipline themselves and be the best person for you. And guilt, yeah, this person is guilty. I told you, heavy, heavy guilt, friends. This person is like, they know they loved you, but they kind of did something stupid at the same point of time, and they are like kicking themselves, like, why did we do it? Because it is like this person was thinking, like, they were thinking about everybody and not you, and now they are, now they cannot think about anybody else except you. So it's like, what happened? They are really guilty. I release all the beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. So this person is working on their soul. What else is happening? Let's see. Anything else? What else is happening with our viewers person? Okay, possibilities. Yes, this person is definitely finding out ways to reach out to you, come back into your life, maybe be your friend, if not as a lover. Traveling, yes, this person will definitely make some move towards you, maybe message you, or if they can, they will meet face to face. Creativity, yes, this person definitely want to marry you. They want to be your husband or wife, and they definitely dream about having kids or children with you, even if it's impossible right now, but they still dream about those things. What else? Let's see what will happen in the future of this connection. What will happen? Oh, that was interesting. Great gratitude. Oh my God, look at that. So, this person in the future, this person is going to be very, very grateful to you that, things are falling in place. I do see that, um, there is sort of a reunion going to happen between you and them, or some sort of a healing that will take place, and it will happen purely because of divine intervention or because of the universe bringing you together. Because great gratitude, because this is something like this person, it I feel like you are finding it difficult to forgive this person, and they are finding it difficult to say sorry or come towards you. So all the barriers will be removed, and you both will be very, very grateful for that. What will happen in the future? Oh my God, the energies are crazy right now. Look at that, a consciousness of lack. So, this person is definitely going to work on their heart energy. They are definitely going to see 4 and 5, all consciousness cards. So, they are definitely healing is going to happen between you and this person, and the energy. It's a very powerful energy, friends. Great energy and commitment. Yes, this person is going to commit to you, friends. And if they are single, they are going to commit for marriage. And if even if they are married, they will still try to fix the wrongs with you, and apologize or be there for you, take care, be a friend for you, be there for you as a friend, as a supporter. Let us see what you need. Anything else? What's going on? Let's see what's going on spiritually in this connection. What's spirit, because a lot of spirit cards are coming. So let's see what is spiritually happening in this connection, or conscious connection. Oh my god, look at that. So yeah, definitely this person was very much focused on flirting. This person was very much focused on money, on all those kind of things, fake things. But now they are realizing the only true thing that is valuable is love, and you were the most conscious person they have ever met. And this connection is definitely building, and there will be some spiritual growth in this connection. What do you feel? Yeah, I feel this person wants to reach out to you, and I don't know, I think it's a one card only. Yeah, they want to reach out to you, and they are trying to balance their mind and the mind and the heart. Visions of life beyond death. Yeah, I feel like this person is getting a lot of dreams about you, about your past lives also. So they realize that this connection is much, much, much deeper than they expected. And spiritually, you guys have shared many past lives together, and she feels, she knows, oh my god, your person definitely is longing for you, and they know that you may be a spiritual master or a teacher, or you guys are inspirations to each other. So they know who you are. If this person was not aware of the connection between you two, like were not aware of twin flames or soulmates or anything, right now they are going through those awakenings. What else? Let's see. Let us see some advice for you, friends. Let's see that. Advice for our viewers. What advice you want to give to them? Oh, focus on the happiness. So focus on your happiness, friends. Be happy. Enjoy your life. Don't take it so seriously, and stay open. Great things can happen in this connection between you and them. And ooh, look at that. Gateway. So portals are opening, friends. A new way or a new healing is going to happen. A reunion or a union is going to happen. Potential. Yes, this connection still has potential no matter what is happening in this connection at the moment. Anything else? I think I have all more. If you are asking if I have more decks than these, yes, I have tons of decks. I haven't even used them all, because I don't know where to keep them also. I keep collecting them, and I don't know how many are already here. There are tons more. There is a lack of space right now to keep them all also. Answering the call, the time is now. So yes, this person is definitely going to call you, friends, either now, in one day, 1 week, or in 1 month, or very soon. Taking shelter, the home is within you. So definitely you guys are in each other. You guys are together in each other. No matter what, you guys are forever joined together. Two hearts, one soul. Let's take some love advice, and then we're gonna take some love message. All right, soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. If you were asking if they were your soulmate or not, yes, they are your soulmate. And I think this could be your twin flame also, but your person sees this as a soulmate connection, because they are growing in awareness. And stay optimistic about your love life, because great things can still happen in this connection. All right, this person wanted to talk to you. What else? What they want to say to you? Let's see that. And friends, please subscribe, like, and share, friends, because seriously, YouTube has affected, and the new algorithms are really pathetic. You will not get to see our content if you don't subscribe, like, share. So please help and support us. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. So this person is absolutely missing you, missing the talking with you, the nights and the days and the memories, everything. The songs are calling me and you. So definitely music is very important, and some songs which you and both have in common. Your love shook me. How can you love me so much? Oh my god. This person was really not at all, aware of the depth of love you had for them. They were literally taken by shock. I will leave everyone and everything that keeps us apart. So, yeah, they are working on that. They are finding the power. Your eyes, your love, your memories haunt me every day. So, if you think they have forgotten you, nope, 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 nope. Um, I keep getting that song. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. Purple Rain, it's a song by Prince. It's a beautiful song. I would suggest you to go and listen that song. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I just wanted to be your lover for one time. Something like that. You are my ultimate home. So look at that. Two cards for home. Here is also taking shelter. The answers are within home. You are my home. Through music, art, meditation, dream, we talk. Can you hear me? So they talk to you indirectly. Can you hear this person? Your words affect me more than I show. So if you have messaged this person, they have read it and they are very much affected by it. And I'm too tired to try now. Yeah, I do feel like this person is taking their time to make a big move towards you. So don't worry. And that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.